Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai visa scams. We're specifically discussing it in the context of this kind of twilight period as we're watching the amnesty, the Thai visa amnesty, come to a close. We're looking ahead to July 31st and the end of the visa amnesty that was initially brought into existence as a response to the COVID-19 pandemic crisis. And basically folks got kind of put into a precarious situation, so they created this amnesty that waived things like overstay fines and did not accrue time in overstay for purposes of blacklisting. But as this is coming to an end, we're going into a state of flux, and I think it's going to be a situation which may cause consternation for folks because of the very nature of the fact that this whole situation is not a particularly pleasant one. It's also unprecedented, where we've seen a full shutdown of everything. The airlines are shut down and they're coming back online. The bilateral relations between Thailand and other countries have yet to be created in the form of these so-called travel bubbles. In short, things are kind of up in the air. And something to be very cautious of during this time period is our Thai visa scams. There's going to be folks out there that are going to promise you the world with respect to being able to rectify your situation, normalize your status. And in many cases, if they're not reputable or they do not come highly recommended by someone that understands the visa system, it's probably not a good idea to trust them with money, especially money paid in advance for a service that sounds too good to be true. As a general rule, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And under these circumstances, these are trying times, and there are people that will look to take advantage of people in a bad position, that are in a precarious position, and they're simply looking for someone to tell them what they want to hear. Well, I shouldn't say they're looking for someone to tell them what they want to hear, but they want a solution, and some people will tell them what they want to hear in order to simply extract their money and then vanish into the mist, if you will. So those of you who are out there that are in a bad situation, you're in a precarious state of affairs with respect to maintaining status here in Thailand, I strongly recommend contact a qualified legal professional, folks that deal with this a lot. And look, we talk to people every day, and sometimes we have to give bad news that it may not be possible to fix a situation. Better to hear that from somebody qualified than to hear what you want to hear to somebody you give a bunch of money to who then runs off with it. So something to think about. It's certainly caveat emptor, buyer beware, and be aware that if it's too good to be true, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.